Hello everyone, you are welcome back to ND Styles TV. I'm ND Styles, by the way. If you are new, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. So today I'll be showing you how I make my weight loss herbal tea. So last time I made a video on how I lost 50 pounds in 3 months. So I mentioned in that video about this herbal tea that I normally take in the morning and lasting at night before going to bed. So I forgot to talk about it later. So someone contacted me asking about the herbal tea, what kind of tea do I take. So I decided to make this video so that I can take you to my kitchen and show you how I make my tea from scratch. So sit back, relax, and make sure you watch this video to the end tea. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's go to my kitchen and let me show you how I make my herbal tea that helped me lose 50 pounds in 3 months. All right, let's go. So here are the ingredients I will be using for the weight loss tea. So starting from this area, here is cinnamon barks. I have cinnamon barks here, and here is cloves. This is cloves, and here I have some green tea loose leaf, and here I have mint leaf, and here is what's the name again, bay leaf, and this is bay leaf. Okay, I'm also going to be adding some red cayenne pepper, a dash, just a little cayenne pepper to it, and I will also be adding some ginger, garlic, and turmeric blend. Okay, so these are all you need to make your own tea. So that's what I use to make the tea that helped me. Then after brewing the tea, before taking it, I always add apple cider vinegar, which I'm going to show you later. So let's brew the tea first. Here is my kettle with the sieve in it. So I'm going to start by adding in the cinnamon bark, then go in with the cloves, add the green tea loose leaf, add the mint leaf to it, then add the bay leaf into it. So I'll go with the little cayenne pepper. I'm gonna go in with the blend. So in this spoon, what I have here is ginger, garlic, turmeric, and lemon. I always blend this, store it in a container, and keep it in my refrigerator. I also use it I add some to my cooking also. I use it to make my foods, and sometimes I just put it in warm water and drinks it, especially when I'm having cold or something. The whole family use it. It's good for cold. It's a good blend. So I will recommend you also blend this always and then keep it in your refrigerator. So now I'm going to add the water and then put it on the stove top to the lowest so that it can brew gradually. Just top it up with water. So this is how the water should be. So I'm gonna
go ahead, cover it, and then put it on the stove. So I set my stove on low and leave it there to steam and brew gently. Brew gently and nicely. All right, so the tea is ready, as you can see. Yeah, I'm pouring some for myself. So I'm gonna add apple cider vinegar to it. Please make sure you are using organic apple cider vinegar like this one I'm using here. So I'm just gonna add a little to it, about 2 tablespoons. Is okay. So that's all you need. Add 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar, and we are set to go. Give it a good stir and drink your tea, morning, night, or 3 times a day.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a huge thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. And please feel free to share this video and comment below. If you have any question, you can ask, okay? And if I have any video you want me to make or talk about, you let me know, okay? All right guys, so here is my tea. I love enjoying it, like sipping it gradually. You don't need to drink it once, just sip it gradually like so. Because it's still very hot, so take it easy. So this tea is very unique. It's so good, like I mentioned. It helps a lot, especially the parts that it helps me not to feel hungry. It helps me forget about snacking. Like I told you guys, I snack a lot, I eat anytime, but with this tea, no. It helped, it's really helped. So make this tea and let me know what you think. And don't forget, it might help you with your bowel movement. Yes, it helps with bowel movement, because I have some people that I told about the tea, made it, they say what they love is that it helped them poop, do number 2. So that would be nice. It's another thing it does that I really like, especially somebody like me. I suffered from this thing, constipation, a lot, but with this tea it helps. And don't forget to drink your lemon water first thing when you wake up in the morning. Drink your lemon water, then go down to your kitchen and make this tea for yourself. You can get that kind in my type of kettle. Make it, I don't finish it, that will last me about like 4 times. Yeah, I take it, this glass, 4 times before I make a new batch. So all you need to do is just put it in the refrigerator. Anytime you want, pour some. You can warm it in microwave, or bring out the kettle. You heat the kettle to warm it in that kettle, and then pour yourself a glass like mine. Add your vinegar, your apple cider vinegar to it, and then enjoy. Very good. So I'll be making video of one of my special drinks that I always make that also helps. It helps a lot. So you can there's different kinds of tea. There's different kinds of herbal drinks that will help you. This helps you, not that is the main thing. No, it helps. Then when you do it and follow other tips, which is like your food portion control, eat smaller, add intermittent fasting, stop snacking, your sleep quality, general lifestyle, okay? So those are the things that will help. And don't forget to exercise. You don't have to kill yourself exercising. Do a little what you can do. As you do it, your body gets used to it, you can increase. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.